Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I have already told you November we'll have MCQs and September we're going to have half subjective and half objective. So writing section will be covered in September. Mainly, most of the part that we have will be covered in September. So today we are going to again revise letter to the editor. These days, it is wet season. It's the monsoon or the rainy season. So water logging at different places, breeding grounds for mosquitoes. These are the tips which I'm giving you. Some main points which you can include because the roads have, see, let me just admit this child. We have deep pits on the roads which get logged with water. Finally, what happens is this becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And which disease spreads better in this season the most? Tell me.
Dengue,
Which
malaria.
disease?
Ma'am,
Dengue and malaria.
Yes. Dengue and
dengue,
malaria.
malaria.
Exactly. It's dengue and malaria. Very good. So we're going to write a letter to the editor requesting the authorities, whatever you feel they can help you out in, and also requesting or making the general public aware of this fact. That what precautions should we all take? You must have read in the newspapers, we've already got some cases of malaria reported. So what concern you can make for the general public and what action you want the authorities, concerned authorities to take over. This is what we are going to do. Okay. Plan yourselves. I have not seen your format and all, nothing. So please, let's do it today. Okay. First, I just want you, what is the first thing that you're going to write on the left side, top left?
Ma'am, school name.
Beta, we are not writing from school. We'll be writing as individual from a society. School, of course, water is not going to accumulate. So there we don't have this problem of coolers and all. So you need to write your own residential address.
Ma'am, the address of the society, then date.
Your house number, that would be preferable, and the name of the society, the name of the city, and then the date, followed by next. Yes. What are we going to write? Supposing we are writing to Times of India.
Ma'am, the Times of India, then Meerut, then.
Whom are we addressing? Whom are we addressing in the newspaper?
Ma'am, receiver address. The editor.
The editor. Yes, that's what I was asking you. The editor. We were addressing editor, so the editor, the Times of India. Whoever we are addressing, it's always the editor. And the name of the newspaper should take a the, so the Times of India, followed by the dates and then a suitable subject. How many paragraphs are generally written in letter to editor? We've discussed it many, many times.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 3.
Beta, 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. Which is the first one?
Production.
Very good. Introductory paragraph where we write the purpose of writing the letter. Okay, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I want to draw the attention of so and so, the concerned authorities and the general public towards whatever is your issue, why you're writing the letter. Yes, Devansh, you wanted to say something now, say.
Ma'am, please allow, he's in waiting room.
Why is he always in waiting? Late. Children, so
Ma'am,
many times we tell
He
you, dear
was
all of you.
disconnected.
Acha, but there are others also, na? Join within 5 minutes, otherwise normally the meeting is locked. Very clear. After 5 minutes, the meeting is locked. Acha, chalo. We were talking about the first paragraph. We will give the purpose of writing the letter. In the second paragraph, we'll be giving the details about things.
Main body.
And yes, the main body of the letter. In the last paragraph, request and suggestion. Yes, request and suggestions. Request could be for the authorities and suggestions for the general public. Okay, simply. So you have to motivate the people around you. Please plan your letter quickly. The topic is given. It is according to the present season. So you plan it accordingly. Everybody be ready with the first and the second paragraphs quickly. Plan it out. Let me know whoever is ready and then we'll start. Okay. First and second paragraph. Hurry up. You'll have to speak the first paragraph and the second paragraph. See, most of your letter is the middle part. That is the second paragraph, the main body. So your word limit should be like this only, that you cover the maximum in the second paragraph. Be careful about this. Whoever is ready, please let me know. I hope you all are planning. Please plan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, please allow Sony. She is in the waiting room.
Was she there earlier? Let me check. I don't think she was there earlier in the meeting. Yes, dear. Was she there in the meeting? Anyone? I don't think she was there. I generally take the
Ma'am,
attendance.
she is now. Ma'am, she is joining the meeting first now only.
She
She was
cannot
not
join.
there
now.
earlier.
No, she cannot join now. I made it a very strict rule now. Everybody comes according to their convenience. There are instructions from the school authorities that after 5 minutes, we are supposed to lock the meetings now and not allow. Comfortably, people keep coming. Somebody comes 2 minutes, somebody comes 10 minutes, somebody comes 5 minutes. So this issue was already raised with principal sir, and now it has been made a rule. We are not going to allow anybody after 5 minutes. However, if you have a connection problem, you get disconnected or something, most welcome. You let me know, we'll admit you. Yes, there's somebody dropping a message. Who is it?
Excuse me,
Ariba.
ma'am.
Yes, dear Devansh.
Ma'am, Avinav is again disconnected. Please allow him.
Sure, but I cannot see him. I can just see Sony in the waiting room. I'm waiting. Yes, Abhinav is there. I'll take him in. He was there in the meeting. Children, anyone who knows Sony was there, if she was there, I can take her. Beta, what time did the class start? Tell me. What was the time?
11:20.
11:20. Yes. And what is the time now? It's 11:32. So it's 12 minutes the class has started. So comfortably, we'll keep joining after 12 minutes, 15 minutes. If we won't be strict in these things, then we'll continuously keep facing these kind of issues, beta. Hurry up, beta, please plan, speak. Even if you're not done, entire thing, I'll help you. Don't worry.
Have you marked attendance?
Yes, beta. Who'll speak now? I'll help you, dear. No problems. I'll help you. No issues at all. Yes, dear. Who will speak? I'll help you, beta. चलो एक साथ करते हैं ना. No issues. Let's start the first paragraph. Come. We'll do it together. Don't worry. Polo beta.
Ma'am, please repeat the topic.
Beta, we are writing a letter to the editor. These days, it's rainy season, monsoon season. So we have water being accumulated here and there in pits, holes and all. So this is the breeding season for mosquitoes and spread of diseases like dengue and malaria. Dengue and malaria. So we are
Ma'am,
writing a letter to the
after
editor.
yes, ma'am. After sir, we will write through the column of your esteemed newspaper. I wish to draw the kind attention on the public issue. Water. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, continue. Good.
On the water holding in the city.
Water logging.
In
Water
the
logging. What is the word?
yes,
Water
ma'am.
logging. Yes,
Water
bache.
logging in the city. Ma'am,
Very good.
next paragraph लिख लीजिए.
Very good. He's given the introductory paragraph to us. Too good. Now you need to give the details, Devansh, in the second paragraph. Good. Who is coming up with the first one? Anyone else? You writing to whom, Devansh? Which newspaper?
Ma'am, the Tribune.
Okay, so you must have written the editor, the Tribune.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Yes, dear. Hurry up. He's taken up the entire city. Say good. He's not talking about his locality. He's talking about the entire city only. Yes, Pache, read.
Accident.
Read, my child.
Ma'am, may I tell the next paragraph?
Yes, beta, Vaisa, if you have planned the next paragraph, please speak it out.
As the water lodging in the city create many problems to the citizens, as it gives the rise to the breed of harmful insects which cause malaria and other type of diseases. After we have after many losing, no action has been taken yet. Uh, through the I am doing the last paragraph.
Beta, you need to give more details. Devansh. Give more details about this. Okay. Water logging has
Yes, ma'am.
started, and then what are the effects of water logging? You need to talk in this paragraph only, because in concluding paragraph, we'll only be talking about pollution. So add on more to this paragraph only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, due to water logging, road accidents are increasing.
Yes, plan it better. Very good accident. And what about diseases? Talk about that also. The main part of the topic which I gave you. Hurry up, dear. Hurry up. Is there anyone else who will be speaking? Mute your audios. Unmute me when you have to speak, beta. Mute your audios. What about others, all silent spectators? Nobody is going to speak.
Ma'am, should I speak?
Beta, that's what I'm waiting for. Only one child has spoken. That's what I was wondering what happened. Please speak.
Ma'am, the second para.
You start with the first one. You've not spoken the first one also. First you read the first one and then the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
I would like to know which newspaper
I
you're
would
writing.
through the call, ma'am, the Times of India,
The Times of India. And whom are you writing to?
the editor.
Very good. The editor, The Times of India. Good. Now start.
Through the columns of a widely circulated daily, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities and the people out there that the condition of the road during the rainy season is very poor. There is water logging everywhere, which makes it difficult for the people who walk on the road or ride their bicycles or cars. And then we can start the second para.
Continue, beta.
The condition is extremely dangerous for the people who walk out of their house during the rainy season because of the pits on the roads, which leads to accidents. And also people living near such areas becomes more prone to diseases like dengue and malaria. And
Very good, very good. Continue.
ma'am, more in the second para or now can be concluded?
Hey, beta, you need to write more in the second paragraph because second paragraph is the main paragraph. Whatever you have to write, your word limit should be completed in the second because last is hardly 2-3 lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Always remember, children, the main body is this only. So try just leave 20-30 words for the last paragraph. That's all. For the last paragraph, we just request and give suggestions. Have you a bacha who's going to read out? Mute audios. Mute your audios, children. Speak. Yes, dear. Anyone else? Class 12th, if everybody is on a mute mode, how will things work out, beta? I don't understand. I'm not even telling you to write. At least speak it out. Yes, those who've spoken the first paragraph were planning for the second details. Give the conclusions. Beta, what is wrong? I don't know. If you people have a problem in speaking, then you can even write and post it on the group. But please, at least do something. Write or read. Do something at least.
Ma'am, may I conclude?
Beta, but your second paragraph was very short now. I told you to add on a little. Have you added on to the second paragraph also? How many words you've written till now, including the introduction and the paragraph? Tell me.
Ma'am, around 50.
So, beta, that is very less now. How will you bring your word limit to 100, 120 only in the last paragraph? Because last paragraph we don't write much. Anyways, let me see what have you written in the last paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Read, beta, read.
Hence, through this letter, it could be written, hopefully through your paper, our problems will be addressed by the concerned authorities as soon as possible and the matter will be solved.
So you see, children, the last paragraph is very, very short. You cannot write more than 30 to 40 words. So please add on more there, where we talked about
Ma'am,
diseases.
we can just, ma'am, those same lines can we just like,
You have to add on more in the second paragraph, now, where we talked about diseases. That every year there are so many deaths. Give
yes,
suggestions
ma'am,
that we should
that
not
can
have.
be added.
Please add all that. That water accumulation in the coolers and all, people should keep it dry. Change the water of the cooler. Ensure that no water is being collected near your house. The government should do what? Some sprays, fogging and all should be done to destroy these organisms.
Ma'am, awareness must be created regarding this.
Yes, beta, please write an add-on. Yes, yes, hurry up.
Ma'am, we can write about the media as well in the last paragraph.
Please add on first and complete the second paragraph first. Okay, then we'll talk about the third. We need to ensure and see how many words we already done. Just
Okay,
leave 40
ma'am.
words for the last paragraph. Hurry up, Devansh, what happened?
Ma'am, one.
It seems there's nobody in the class only, no? All mute people.
Ma'am, no, through the water, many diseases are starting. Uh, it creates a very serious health issue. Uh, Serious health issue. Sometimes it all it give a fever to the student, and very bad smell coming from the water. After many complaints, no action has been taken yet. So so through the through the newspaper, we want to create the awareness. I hope my letter will find some. Hello.
Devansh, rest everything is correct, but why are you using present continuous tense? You're saying smell coming.
Sorry,
Okay?
ma'am. Smell come.
I need nothing to be sorry about it. It's okay. We learn like this. Very good. So just say comes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Such kind
Come.
of things because the tense never changes in these. Very good, beta. Bolo. Good.
So I hope my letter will find some space in your esteemed newspaper. Thank your truly, Devan.
Rest everything is okay, but where are your suggestions? Suggestions to the
Ma'am,
government.
I have
Last
said
paragraph.
that my letter will open the eye of the
Concerned
worker
authorities.
concerned authority. Yes.
But you do not want to give any suggestions to the general public? Any instructions what we should do? Or you're okay with this much only?
Ma'am, okay, this
Decide.
much.
This much only. Very good. Count your words and tell me, Devansh, how many words? Count. Priya, what about you? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now read out the second paragraph.
Ma'am, around 50 to 60.
Total? Total letter is 50, 60 words.
I think so, ma'am.
ये तो बहुत कम है दिवांश. Think so means you did not count.
Yes, ma'am, as I have not written.
Acha, you have not written it. ठीक है, then it's okay. Must be more than 50, 60. It cannot be 50, 60. ठीक है बेटा, it's okay.
Yes.
Priya, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak out. Speak better.
Ma'am, from the starting.
Read the second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. The waterlogging has created a serious problem. People going out of the houses are facing accidents because of the pits on the road. Not only this is the problem, but ma'am, I need 2 more minutes.
It's okay, beta. अरे बेटा,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes
Excuse me,
Devansh,
ma'am.
yes Devansh, I am listening. Speak.
मैम लेटर में और क्या क्या चीज लिखूं, जैसे जो मतलब मेरी लेटर में कमी हो, प्लीज टेल।
बेटा कमी जैसा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ वर्ड लिमिट को हम लोग को थोड़ा सा विल हैव टू इंक्रीज इट आउट. You can talk about the deaths because of these diseases. कि last years में भी इतना इतना deaths हुआ and still the people and the public is still not aware of it. We saw last year also we had requested, no action was taken. And talk about how many deaths or how many casualties have already taken place
मैम लेकिन
because
हम
of
इसमें
these
तो मैम
diseases.
अथॉरिटीज को ब्लेम करते हैं या पब्लिक को ब्लेम करते हैं?
बेटा ब्लेम किसी को भी नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ अटेंशन ड्रॉ करते हैं दोनों का. खाली गवर्नमेंट एंड अथॉरिटीज से डालने से कैसे काम चलेगा? इवन इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज क्लीनिंग थिंग्स एवरी डे एंड हम लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है, वी आर थ्रोइंग अवे द गार्बेज एवरी डे आउट, वी आर लेटिंग द मॉस्किटोज ब्रीड इनसाइड आवर कूलर्स, तो गवर्नमेंट भी, व्हाट कैन द गवर्नमेंट डू? सो विदाउट द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. सो नॉर्मली व्हाट वी डू इज हम लोग दोनों को लेके चलते हैं. दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. Alone government cannot do anything. Na? Without the public, how will the government do? Tell me.
ओके मैम.
Government is helpless. It comes every day, it cleans your locality and हम लोग फिर गंदा कर दे रहे हैं, फिर से मॉस्किटोज ब्रीड हो रहे हैं, घर के अंदर हो रहे हैं, कूलर्स में हो रहे हैं. So we need to do for both. दोनों को लेके चला करिए always. Okay?
यस मैम.
Very good. Very good. At least you're interested. Good. Chali, never mind. We'll continue tomorrow. God bless you all. Hardly 30 seconds left.
थैंक यू मैम.
God
Thank you,
bless you.
ma'am.
God bless
Thanks,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
थैंक यू मैम.